Today I am reviewing the Nexar Beam GPS Dashcam. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to protecting your car and having reliable video evidence on the road, a good dashcam is no longer optional. It's essential. And in this space, the Nexar Beam GPS Dashcam stands out as one of the most advanced and user-friendly options available today. This is not just a basic recording device. It's a smart, connected dashcam system designed to continuously monitor your driving, protect your vehicle when parked, and automatically save important footage to the cloud. Let's start with the core purpose of this device: recording and safety. The Nexar Beam captures high-quality driving footage and streams it directly to your smartphone. That means you always have instant access to your recordings without needing to remove an SD card or plug anything into a computer. Everything is handled through the Nexar app, making it extremely convenient for everyday use. One of the biggest advantages here is the included 32 GB SD card combined with unlimited cloud storage through the included 1-year Nexar Classic subscription. This means your driving footage is not only saved locally, but also automatically backed up to the cloud. Even if something happens to your device or vehicle, your footage remains secure and accessible. Now let's talk about one of the standout features: 24/7 parking mode. This is where the Nexar Beam really becomes more than just a dash cam. When your car is parked, the system continues to monitor for impacts. If someone bumps your vehicle or an incident occurs while you're away, the camera automatically starts recording and sends alerts to your phone as soon as it reconnects. This provides a huge layer of protection, especially in parking lots, street parking, or overnight situations where you're not physically near your vehicle. Another major highlight is AI-powered incident detection. The system is designed to automatically detect sudden braking, collisions, or unusual driving events. When it identifies something important, it saves the clip instantly and uploads it to the cloud. This removes the stress of manually saving footage during an emergency situation. In real-world terms, it means you're always prepared with evidence if something unexpected happens on the road. Now let's talk about installation and usability. The Nexar Beam is designed for quick and simple setup. It can be installed in just a few minutes and fits discreetly on your windshield without blocking your view. Once installed, it connects to your smartphone and runs in the background automatically. It works seamlessly with most iPhones, starting from iPhone 7 and a wide range of Android devices. The setup process is straightforward, and once connected, you don't need to constantly manage the system. It simply works in the background while you drive. Another strong advantage is the app integration. The Nexar Classic app is where all your footage, alerts, and driving data are managed. It allows you to view live footage, review past trips, and receive notifications about incidents or parking events. Even better, it runs in the background, meaning you can still use navigation apps while the dashcam is active. This is a big improvement compared to traditional dashcams that require manual retrieval of footage. Now let's talk about cloud storage, which is one of the biggest selling points of this system. With the included 1-year subscription, you get unlimited cloud storage. That means every drive is automatically backed up without worrying about memory limits. This is especially useful for frequent drivers, rideshare users, or anyone who wants full protection without constantly managing storage space. After the first year, the service continues at a low monthly cost, making it a long-term connected solution rather than a one-time device. Safety and peace of mind are really the core value here. Whether you're driving daily in traffic, parking in busy areas, or simply want extra protection in case of accidents, this dashcam ensures that everything important is recorded, saved, and accessible when needed. Even in situations like insurance claims or disputes, having clear video evidence can make a huge difference. Of course, there are a few things to keep in mind. Since this is a smartphone-connected dashcam, it does rely heavily on your phone for full functionality. That means you need a compatible device and a stable connection for the best experience. Also, while the subscription includes excellent features like unlimited cloud storage, it does transition into a paid model after the first year. But considering the features you get, live streaming, AI detection, parking protection, and cloud backup, it still offers strong long-term value. In conclusion, the Nexar Beam GPS Dashcam is more than just a car camera. It's a complete smart driving security system designed to protect your vehicle both on the road and while parked. With its combination of real-time recording, automatic cloud backup, AI incident detection, and 24/7 parking protection, it delivers a modern and highly convenient solution for everyday drivers. If you're looking for a dash cam that goes beyond basic recording and actually adds intelligent protection to your driving experience, this is one of the strongest options available.